the Russian aerospace forces are due to get more than 10 advanced Su-25 SM-3 close air support planes before the end of this year. Viktor Pryadko, head of the Ovintel Aviation Technology Alliance, told Sputnik that the latest Su-25 shows great potential. Commenting on the upcoming delivery of more than 10 Su-25 SM-3 attack aircraft to the Russian aerospace forces, a Russian aviation expert specifically praised the Su-25's great potential. Viktor Pryadko recalled that the creation of the Su-25, nicknamed Grochruk, was initiated by aircraft designer Oleg Samoilovich, who worked at Russia's Sukhoi Design Bureau as deputy general designer. He floated the idea of developing, in fact, a flying tank which could tackle different targets while airborne. The armored Su-25 plane has an array of modifications, indicating that this aircraft had great potential from the outset, Pryadko said. Referring to the Su-25 SM-3, he specifically pointed to the aircraft's increased combat effectiveness and survivability, which is achieved through the installation of more precise armament which helps it counter enemy fighter jet attacks. The plane is equipped with 2 engines, and if one engine is destroyed, the Su-25 SM-3 will be capable of continuing the flight and returning to its airfield, Pryadko said. Thanks to its unique characteristics, the Su-25 SM-3 was nicknamed Super-Grochruk by Russian pilots. The warplane is capable of destroying targets day or night, and in all weather conditions. The system of airborne protection makes the aircraft practically invulnerable to enemy air defenses. The Su-25 SM-3 is an extensively modernized version of the Su-25, which entered service with the then Russian Air Force in the early 1980s. Earlier this week, the Russian newspaper Izvestia quoted a source in the General Staff of the Russian Aerospace Forces as saying that over 10 Su-25 SM-3s will be put into service with Russia's Southern Military District and the 4th Aircraft Training Center by the year-end. In 2018, the Su-25 M3S will be supplied to assault aviation units in Russia's Transbaikalia and the Far East. The nickname Flying Tank was first used to describe the Su-25's Soviet predecessor, the armored Illinois II attack aircraft, which gained a reputation during World War II for being able to drop bombs and fire rockets at Nazi tanks. As for the Su-25, it is now reputedly the most difficult plane in the world to shoot down.